Good Wednesday afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our market intel brief here at Top Gun Options. My name is Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz, and what a fantastic afternoon in the market. Now, if you're staring at this chart right now, or you know the Dow is down 11, almost 1,200 points. The Dow was off nearly 4% today, the worst day since 2020, since the COVID crash. The S&P off 4%, 165 points. How's my personal account look today? Up $7,500. Bearish trades on the S&P 500 and Amazon printing money. I told you this was going to happen. Sell every rip. Do not buy any of these dips. Folks, I just wrapped up 3 days, 3 free days of live trade briefs. Why? Emergency live trade briefs to help you out. Oh, another S&P 500 trade over. Look at this portfolio, the primary portfolio, up over, nearly $39,000. See that? That says month to date. What's today's date? The 18th. Folks, at this point, after 3 days of free live trade briefs, I've shown you live in the market how you can print money as the market goes down. I explained to you how, as an American, as Wiz, I feel like shit. I hate people getting destroyed. I hate people having margin calls. I hate people having their 401ks become 101ks. And then my bipolar personality turns in the Gordon Gekko. Good. Folks, if you're not going to step up and take responsibility and be the pilot in command of your portfolio, you deserve everything bad that happens to you. Period. That's my Gordon Gekko talking. I love the market imploding. I love volatility. I love blood in the streets. And again, that's my Gordon Gekko. But guess what? As the chief instructor here at Top Gun Options, that is my job. My job is to train you how to potentially profit in all market conditions. And as an options trader, we love volatility. Okay? So, the doors are open, and before I jumped on, we have seven slots remaining. Okay? What you need to do is head to go.topgunoptions.com/FT-Hunters. FT stands for full throttle -hunters, means you can get access to one of our SDISs, self-directed investment squadrons, man. This is the hunters over here. Man, it was active today, about 100 people in here trading their rear ends off, man. You can get access to the hunters today, and a full throttle membership where you get access to my Monday through Thursday briefs where I send out text and email alerts, and you get access to the hunters where I post all of my trades live, personal account immediately, and everybody else is in here as well. I love this self-directed investment squadron. That is only $4.97 a month. At last count, I got stickies all over my desk here. I love when the market's like this, man. It's getting crazy, and I love it. Over $15,000 in profit in trades that I have shown this week. Oh, and by the way, I showed you a bullish trade this week. Which one? Paramount. What happened this week? Warren Buffett followed me into Paramount. 3 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago, I said get bullish on Paramount. It's the only thing I'm bullish on besides the psychedelic sector. Warren Buffett. Boom. I'm glad Warren Buffett's following Top Gun Options, man. That puts a smile on my face. But folks, I can't do anything else. I'm kind of done. I'm not one of these places that gives you 87 PowerPoint slides showing you trades from last year, 2 years ago. I open up the doors to my current services so you can come in here and drive around. I show you my training accounts and my personal accounts where I'm trading my money and my wife's money. Now it's your turn, man. Make a decision. Folks, for only $295, I went to the Panthers game, unfortunately, last night. Damn lightning. Folks, what I spent on hot dogs, it was a hell of one hockey game, man. You can get access. Check us out for a month for only $295. That's a no-brainer. One trade, one of the S&P 500 trades that I showed you this week would have paid for an annual membership. One trade could have potentially paid for your entire membership for a year. Men lie, trades don't. Look at the damn Amazon trade today. This Amazon trade is up 2,000 bucks. It potentially is going to close on Friday for a profit of $23.50. Folks, and this is a 50% discount. This used to be a $6,000 service with the live all sort. I'm like, you know what? 3. I did this in the COVID crash too as well, folks. I cut my stuff so I could help more people. So it's up to you. $295 for full throttle monthly. If you want the full throttle and the hunters, my trading club, our trading club, it's only $497. The best deal, folks, is the annual. Okay, because you ready for this? And again, if I'm dragging you to water, man, and you can't drink, okay, we're going lower. You want to hear my target for the S&P 500? And if this is shocking to you, like, oh my God, it better not do that. What are you doing? Look I told you today. I told you since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I drew in this dark space right here, and we broke through the bottom. I told you the S&P is going down to about 33.85. We have a huge gap to fill. I told you this Monday night. What happened? Morgan Stanley came out. I'm glad Warren Buffett and Morgan Stanley are also Top Gun Options members. Morgan Stanley sees the S&P tumbling as low as 3,400. That's where the valuation and technical support lie. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're still long your stocks, if you're still hoping for a bottom, if you're still doing everything, you got a hell of a lot of pain coming your way. This is look out below. This is the COVID crash right here. From the top in January to where we are right now, and we still have further to go, this is the big one. I told you, I've been telling you for years that the big one, the Fred Sanford, I'm coming Elizabeth, would happen because of the Fed. The arsonist is also the firefighter. The arsonist who did all of this ridiculous stupidity and liquidity is now trying to tamp it out. It's too late. Jerome Powell even admitted it was too late, and Ben Bernanke, the former Fed chief, is also dancing on his grave. I told you this was going to happen. The Dow down more than 1,100 points, the worst day since 2020. Target got destroyed today. Walmart got destroyed yesterday. You're telling me that little rally yesterday on Home Depot earnings, and Jerome Powell didn't really say anything that he hasn't said recently to the Wall Street Journal. That was the reason to rally yesterday? If you were a TGO member, what did every one of these, this one, and this one, I said sell into it. As the market goes up, sniper shot, sniper shot, sniper shot, and the market implodes, we make money. Again, men lie, numbers don't. You shoot me an email, I'll send you all the I'll download it right here, man, right there. Orders. You can see all of the orders that we've done in this market that we've profited from. But again, it's a little frustrating to me because I do get all of these emails. There you go. Here's our month-to-date trades on the S&P 500. It's very frustrating. What are you waiting for? And I kind of don't want to beg, but if you are not trading options, if you're not buying puts, if you're not doing everything that I can teach you to do, I got to be honest, man. You deserve everything bad that's going to happen to you, right? Housing starts. The housing bubble is going to pop. Housing starts plunge in April, and permits as mortgage rates soar. Target, at Walmart, the retailers are rolling over. Crypto, don't even get me started on crypto. I'm not even going to mention it. It's a complete joke. Crypto's trading as it's a high-risk tech stock or biotech stock. Why would you trade crypto if it's trading like an Amazon or a Facebook or an Apple? Why wouldn't you trade a name that actually owns things and does things and has value? Crypto has value, Wiz. Like Luna? From 119 to 1 cent in a day? Yeah. Pull this leg and it plays jingle bells. So, folks, again, it's up to you at this point. I'm a little frustrated. I've opened up the doors. I'm trying to help people out. Once we get these next 7, we're done. I close the doors. You know what is open? If you just want to, why don't you, here's the best thing. I did want to do this, but solo Amazon. Come to our Solo Amazon briefs on Monday at 10 a.m. I send out text and email alerts. Solo Amazon is only $97 a month. $97 a month. I'm going out to dinner tonight with some friends. I guarantee you I pick a bottle of wine that's more than $97. And I'm not a wine snob. That's just the way it works. Look at this. I'm going to do some political science math real quick. When you sign up for Solo Amazon, I give you the 3 manuals that are worth $197. So let me be a political science major. Hold on a second. It's only $97 to join, but I'm getting manuals that, yeah, okay, real quick, you just made $100. There's $100 back in your pocket, folks. This is the no-brainer. I can't stand Solo Amazon pricing, but I trust my marketing team. Wiz, it's the irresistible offer. I'm like, it seems cheap to me. But this is the gateway drug to get in Top Gun Options. Here's the link, topgunoptions.com/solo-amazon-monthly. If you're not ready to go full throttle, if you still are kind of dipping your toe in the water, dip your toe in it. This is our trial, technically. We don't do trials because I just gave you a trial. 3 days. I opened up my trade briefs. If you can't decide after 3 days if you want to join, I can't help you. Here's the intermediate step. If you don't want to do full throttle, spend $97 and try Solo Amazon. Last thing I'm going to brief you on is the annual Solo Amazon. Instead of $97 a month, I'd rather you do the $97 a month for a year. I'm not that guy, though. I'll give you a 25% discount if you do an annual membership today into Solo Amazon. 25% discount. This URL is easy to remember. TopGunOptions.com/solo-annual. You get your manuals. Boom. This is the better way to go. If you're going to dip your toe in here at Top Gun Options, do Solo Annual monthly. Again, folks, I did my best. Since January, when this thing popped, and I told you, and I called this a double short squeeze. It was. That was a short squeeze, took a little bit of a break, people got short, and then another short squeeze, and then reality set in, and reality, I hate saying this, but I want to shock you. You haven't seen panic selling yet. Today was not a panic. The panic selling is coming. The washout, VIX at 50, S&P down another, a couple hundred points. That's when the bottom will be in. And guess what? When, not if, there's a bottom in this market, it's not going to be a V straight up. It will not look like this. This implosion will not be this. Why? Because the Fed came in and did this and caused this kind of recovery. The Fed is the one who's causing this implosion, and they ain't stepping in to save it. And you guys know how I feel about what's going on in Ukraine, between Russia and Ukraine. It's a horror, and it's going to get worse. Vladimir, a cornered Vlad, lights off a nuke or a chemical or biological attack, the S&P will be down here at about 2,000. I do not want that to happen. But you know what I want for you to happen? For you to make money off of that. Again, that ain't Wiz. That's Gordon Gekko talking. If shit's going to go to hell in a handbasket, I'm going to print money. Me, I'm going to try and save lives. I'm going to try to save veterans' lives with my No Fallen Heroes project. I'm going to try and heal. I'm doing both hands, man. With one hand, I'm making money and trading, but the money I make, folks, you know me, I throw it over the wall to the charity. I try and save veterans, man. Yeah, I like to fly my jet every once in a while, but man, I am doing my best to spread the word about healing and saving lives because the world just sucks right now. As an options trader, the world sucking right now is a good thing. As a human, it isn't. But anyway, I digress. Go.topgunoptions.com/FT-hunters. That stands for full throttle hunters. I will teach you how to do this. This is not rocket surgery. If I can do it, you can do it. And we literally have little old ladies in tennis shoes who are trading options here, and they're doing it very successfully. We made millionaires during the COVID crash. I can show you all those case studies from current and former TGO members who printed money, and we're doing it again. That's it. I'm going to work. I get the next 7. We close the doors. The Solo Amazon service is open a little bit more, and then we also have the Tomcat chart service that'll be open. But once I get the next 7, hopefully today, we're closing the doors for full throttle. Last thing, if you didn't watch these replays and you're just seeing this like, holy shit, I didn't know about any of these emergency briefs, I said I'd hook you up. Go.topgunoptions.com/FT replay. Full throttle replay. You can check out all the briefs. And again, men lie, numbers don't. Men lie, brokerage accounts don't. Come see what we did live. And then I'm done. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and God bless. Namaste, and fights on.